To do gymnastics, start by learning how to perform a forward somersault. Since you've mastered that, you can learn how to do a reverse somersault, cartwheel, handspring, and a round-off. You can also try doing a pullover roll and front hip circle on a bar. While you're learning these new skills, do things to improve your strength and flexibility on your own. Try stretches like the butterfly, the pike, and the bridge. And strength training exercises like push-ups and lunges. Finally, whenever you're practicing gymnastics, make sure you're in a safe environment and have a spotter available if you're trying anything advanced. To get formal training, find a local gym that offers gymnastics classes and talk to a gymnastics coach about the different types of gymnastics. If you'd prefer to train at home, practice with workout pads, trampolines, or outdoor equipment at parks.